Your attention, please, ladies and gentlemen. Will you please rise and remove your caps? And please welcome Michael Hill. We invite you to join in singing with Michael as he honors America with the singing of our national anthem.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleam, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
Ladies and gentlemen, Michael Hill, today's national anthem.
Thank you, thank you.